goodness. Okay. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh, careful, careful. You almost missed it. Good. Yes, nice little hors d'oeuvre. Now let's have some dinner. You're still purring? Just eat. Don't purr at the same time. One thing at a time, friend. Yeah. And Stormy Normie, you're eating in the shade because it's really hot up there today. Oh, is it good? Yeah. Oh, today you're the supervisor. What? Are you going to come along? I need my supervisor. I can't do it without you. Come supervise, please. Thank you. Oh, so helpful. Okay, one supervisor, one. Excellent. Here he is. This is my main supervisor, yeah. Hi, thanks, everybody. I feel so supported. Fishy's fine. The pump is working well. But I'm getting feedback. Lots of criticism. Really? Oh. Did I do that bad? Was it that bad? Really? Can we maybe try harder tomorrow? Yeah? Maybe? Okay.